So today, basically lots of, I don't know if you call it regrets or reflection, self-reflection. Basically everything needs to be much more well performed. The chemistry test, I just did it. Although I studied for hours for it, basically if I study wrong, there's no point in studying so many hours compared to if I were studying a little bit maybe smarter. I don't know, like I'm trying to find the best tactic to it. Basically what I think right now is to do a review right after class and just recap, well, kind of like this recap, but to recap in detail of like absolutely every single thing that a prof said during class right after the class, as soon as possible, the faster possible. Basically reteaching yourself, I think, is what I'm supposed to do, because like I lost the detail about ppm. I completely forgot if it was grams on gram or if it was moles on gram, if it was moles on liter. I don't know. It's, now that I think of it, it's such a dumb mistake. It's obviously the same unit on same unit, but again, if you don't like particularly put attention to it, you just sometimes don't remember it, and I just really didn't, and I totally didn't know if it was moles or grams. Either way, I made a mistake on that. I just did the test. It's not like I got it back, but I know it was wrong. So back to today's study recap. We did, well, that's a lot of screaming, but we had programming. It was just working on your assignment again, and nothing new, so we didn't learn anything new. And I had my 4 hours break of library studying chemistry, which needs to be improved as well. And then I had mechanics, so a recap of mechanics, because we did a lot of new stuff today. Basically the Newton's law, but then a lot more in depth in terms of how acceleration and velocity actually works, because it's not as simple as how vectors look like on the diagram. That's what we were doing in high school. But in reality, if it is getting slower and that the velocity is positive, acceleration is negative. And that means the arrows, like when I was doing in high school, it meant a longer arrow pointing that way meant that the acceleration is going that way, but that's not true. If it's slowing down or speeding up, depends on the context of whether the acceleration is positive or negative.